Hi everyone, this is David from Benchmark. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simplify the command ribbon in MSCAD if you don't need to take advantage of all the tools they have in there. To do this, I'm going to open up my Options menu by typing in Options in the command bar. When that's open, in the General tab, which is the first tab there, you can see I have an experience level. I'm going to change that from Advanced to Beginner, and I'm going to click on OK. Now you can see a ton of the buttons that were up there have disappeared, leaving me with the basic tools I need to do my CAD work without cluttering my screen with all the advanced tools I don't need. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to like the video down below, and if you like our content, feel free to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button. You can also click on the bell in the top right to be notified of all our future content. And if there was something about this video you liked or you want to see something specific, feel free to leave us a comment. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at www.bench-mark.ca. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.